Hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in. The Law of Attraction and the Law of Least Work. I like the sound of that. Hello, my positive peeps. It is Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I've been doing a 30-day Law of Attraction crash course for beginners. And there she is. Okay, if you love the Law of Attraction crash course so far, give me a little thumbs up. Every little like helps. Show me some love. Also, leave a comment, let me know how much of a beginner or a pro that you are at this point with the Law of Attraction. Below in the description, there is a recap of all the lessons that we've done so far, so please check that out as well. So each video in this crash course flows nicely into the next video. Today is day 20. Click here if you want to get to lesson number 1 to start at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes to be very mindful of your time, okay? Because I know we all have cats that need to be played with. Okay, allow me to mention that course workbook. It's free, it's in the description below for a link. You can print it up and follow along, okay? I love you. Okay. Today, I am talking about a concept that you may like. It is called the Law of Least Work. I love it. Okay. I know you've heard the acronym KISS, K-I-S-S, which expanded to the line, keep it simple, stupid. Or I prefer keep it simple, silly, in keeping with being kind from yesterday's lesson. This is reminding us of something called Zipf's Law. So it's spelled Z-I-P-F-S, Zipf's Law. It says that if you write or say things as simply as possible. He devised this principle in 1945 while studying verbal communication. The idea is to not overcomplicate. If there is something more direct, an easier way to say something, use that way. According to thought.com, the principle of least effort is the theory that one single primary principle in any human action, including verbal communication, is the expenditure of the least amount of energy or effort to accomplish that task, known as Zipf's Law. Okay, so this principle of least effort and the path of least resistance. So we hear about this all the time in Law of Attraction. The universe loves direct and clear. You cannot impress the universe with big fancy words. Attempting to impress anyone with big words is not even necessary, and it's simply your ego doing its work, looking for praise and recognition. You do not need that. The only recognition you need is from you. Hashtag truth. Allow me to demonstrate. If I say, I feel lightheaded, and I haven't eaten in ages, this message is indirect. The listener wouldn't know if I need a Tylenol, a snack, or just to lay down. If I'm direct like this, I'm hungry and I could really use a sandwich. Then I get what I want and that person doesn't get confused. In a relationship, this happens when one person is upset about something that their partner did or did not do. They behave in a passive-aggressive way or they just ignore their partner. Direct communication, like, I am not happy that you did X, Y, Z. It makes me feel sad when you do this. Please do this instead. So it's saying exactly how you feel and a solution as well. We have to be direct and creative rather than reactive. Okay, what does this have to do with Law of Attraction? Well, everything really. The universe wants you to take the path of least resistance. See what feels good, what feels natural and easy, what is more direct. If something feels treacherous or painful or dreadful, you may still get there, but it's not the best way. The signs and synchronicities that we discussed a couple days ago or in a previous lesson will give you messages and hints of what your action should be. Pay attention. Your homework today, I want you to practice this law of least effort. Let it go, let it flow, be easygoing. That's all. I know it sounds too easy, but I am an amazing teacher. Okay, so my most intelligent, beautiful students, thank you so much for watching this and for coming to class today. Tomorrow we shall continue with the next lesson. Don't forget, if you have not already, click that subscribe button and that bell notification so you do not miss the next lesson, okay? Have a most glorious, lovely, beautiful day. I love you guys, and be positive.